Hello kids, today we're going to learn all about python snakes. Let's dive into their amazing world. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes found in Africa, Asia and Australia. There are many species of pythons like the Burmese python, ball python and reticulated python. Pythons live in many places such as jungles, grasslands and swamps. They like warm environments where they can find lots of food. Pythons have long, muscular bodies covered in scales. They have sharp teeth and strong jaws to catch their prey. Pythons move by slithering. They can glide smoothly on the ground and even climb trees with ease. Pythons use their tongues to smell. They flick their tongues to pick up scents. They also have heat-sensing pits to find warm-blooded animals. Pythons eat a variety of animals such as mice, birds and even deer. They are powerful hunters. Pythons are ambush predators. They hide and wait for their prey, then strike quickly and wrap around it, squeezing tightly to catch their meal. Pythons swallow their food whole. They have stretchy jaws that allow them to eat animals much larger than their heads. After eating, pythons need time to digest their food. They might rest for days or even weeks, depending on how big their meal was. Pythons lay eggs. A mother python can lay many eggs at once. When the eggs hatch, baby pythons, called hatchlings, come out ready to explore. Some mother pythons protect their eggs by curling around them and keeping them warm until they hatch. As baby pythons grow, they shed their skin. This helps them get bigger and stay healthy. Pythons shed their skin several times a year. It's like getting a brand new coat. Pythons can live in many habitats. Some pythons live in trees, some like the water, and others stay on the ground. Pythons can live a long time. In the wild, they can live up to 20-30 years and even longer in zoos. People find pythons fascinating. You can see them in zoos and nature reserves where they are well taken care of. Some people keep pythons as pets. Pet pythons need special care like a warm habitat and proper food. It's important to protect pythons in the wild. Conservation efforts help ensure these amazing snakes have safe places to live. The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world, while the Burmese python is also very large and heavy. The smallest python is the children's python, named after a scientist, not because it's for kids. Throughout history, pythons have appeared in myths and legends. Some stories tell of giant snakes with magical powers. People often wonder about the difference between pythons and anacondas. Pythons are found in Africa, Asia and Australia, while anacondas live in South America. Pythons play an important role in their ecosystems. By hunting other animals, they help keep populations in balance. Pythons appear in many movies, books and cartoons. They're often shown as mysterious and powerful creatures. Some pythons are active during the day, while others are more active at night. It depends on their species and habitat. Many pythons hunt at night. They use their heat-sensing pits and keen sense of smell to find prey in the dark. Pythons love warm weather. They often sunbathe to warm up and find shelter when it rains. Pythons communicate through body language and by leaving scent trails. It's their way of talking to each other. Even though pythons are strong, they have enemies too. Birds of prey and large mammals might hunt young pythons. Pythons are masters of camouflage. Their skin patterns help them blend into their surroundings, making it hard for predators and prey to see them. Pythons are incredibly strong. They can lift heavy objects and climb trees with their powerful muscles. Pythons often make their homes in burrows or hollow trees. These spots provide a safe place to rest and hide. Pythons have unique features like special scales that help them grip surfaces and large eyes that see well in the dark. Pythons also need time to relax. You might find them resting on a branch or soaking in the sun to stay warm. Many pythons are great swimmers. They can move easily through water to hunt or travel. Pythons are curious creatures. They love to explore their surroundings and learn about new places. Pythons have good night vision and heat-sensing pits that help them hunt in the dark. Pythons are very adaptable. Some even live in urban areas, finding food and shelter in surprising places. Conservationists work hard to protect python habitats and ensure these amazing snakes can thrive in the wild. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn about pythons. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.